Here I am at the Derelict Aircraft Museum at Wesburn, and here you have an F-86D Sabre, the old dog model. One like the ones I used in the Korean War, I believe. They used to fire 18 Mickey Mouse unguided missiles for tank busting and knocking out trains and bridges, etc. And up here you can see a bullet hole in the windscreen. This must be where a North Korean shot at the plane. It just missed a pilot, I believe. Here we are. Quite an interesting old plane. Come from Arizona, you know, the old Davis Monophone scrapyard in Arizona. Here's the cockpit. Not much there now. Needs a bit of work, this old plane, but it's got potential. This is the back where the air ran into the engine. This is looking forward. And over here I believe we have an Embraer, a twin engine turboprop passenger plane. Just carry about 40 passengers. Just go up the steps to the cockpit here. This is where Captain Dick spends a lot of his time pretending he's a pirate. Just sits in here. There's a few instruments missing though. Captain Dick will be sitting here saying Roger Roger, over and out. That's an interesting old nose. And over here we have a Cessna 402, last used up at North Queensland. It's pretty sparse, just the fuselage only here. A few instruments missing here also. And over here we have the old Queen Air fuselage. Looking a bit sad now. You can only do so much, limited funds. I believe it used to be with Maceling Airlines. You can see the logo on the tail here. Yeah, so that's it.